Ngayon, we move along to one of the most anticipated awards of the year. Alam naman natin, bumper crop of rookies ang dumating sa atin sa PBA ngayon 2014 season. Kaya naman napakahigpit na labanan para sa Rookie of the Year.
Etong award na ito ay namumukod tangi Magu dahil sa ating mga manlalaro, lahat sila ay binibigyan lamang ng isang pagkakataon sa kanilang buong career to get this award. And this award, of course, is that most coveted award to be named as the Rookie of the Year.
Silipin na natin ang ating nominees for Rookie of the Year. Unahin natin. From the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, Raymond Almazan.
From the Sandvik Super Coffee Mixers, Justin Melton.
Mula sa inyong Global Port Batampier, Terence Romeo.
From the Sandvik Super Coffee Mixers, Ian Sangala.
At mula sa Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, Greg Slaughter.
Presenting the award for our Rookie of the Year is PBA Commissioner Attorney Chito Salud, joined by Alaska Aces Governor Mr. Dicky Bachman.
And the Leo Award for the 2014 Rookie of the Year goes to... Mula sa Cebu at Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, Greg Slaughter. Congratulations once again to Greg. Ito nga yung binabanggit mo, no? A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity para maparangal ang Rookie of the Year, and the #1 overall pick has proven that he is on top of the class.
Congratulations again to Greg Slaughter. I'm sure proud na proud ang kanyang mga kababayan all the way in Cebu. Mga kaibigan, marami pa po tayong ipamimigay ng mga special awards, kaya wag po kayong aalis. Magbabalik po ang 2014 Leo